Alright, what's going on, Motley Garagers? We're back on the phone on the OnePlus. Thought maybe I'd turn on my flash and my front room light, but yeah, I think I'm just gonna turn the flash off. So I'm watching CCXRC videos like a year ago. TRXM, he's doing a slow crawl. He had a light kit or whatever, bad light kit. Yeah, I know what you mean. I like wiring up my own lights, you know what I'm saying? But I had to try out the light kit, so I got the light kit on my Bronco, and Xavier put the light kit on his Defender. So the upgrades for Adrian's high lift here, he's got the trailer, and we got him some low speed gears. But I don't know if he wants to do low speed crawling or if he wants it high speed. So every week, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out some money and I will buy the boys and I will buy myself some upgrades for our TRX4Ms, and also we'll buy more rocks and more concrete to add to the course because we've been drastically redoing the course. Also, I've been walking every day at lunch with my TRX4M. It's a little bit easier to walk with than my Orlando Hunters and my SCX 24s and stuff like that. This is a pretty perfect scale. Not really too big like Tim scales, not too small like my Orlandos. So you guys know Xavier's got some upgrades. He just got some rims in from Amazon. I think these are pretty beautiful. Whoa, he took them out of the package already. I don't want to lose the screws. So I don't have a part number, but I will look on Amazon and get the description. These are heavy. These are really, really heavy. They're Injora rims. They're like $24 on Amazon, but these are their gold and black ones. I picked the color out. I didn't know if he was going to like it. I just wanted to see how they were, so I just ordered a set. If he wanted a different set, I was going to, get it for him. But, I mean, they look sexy. Those are some sexy rims, and they're going to look nice with that red. I think it's really going to, and the TRX4, how they did the tires are just like the TRX4 on the Defender version of TRX4M. It's like a baby Defender, but the tires mimic the 10th scale, pretty much 9 out of 10, I say. It's even got the little sidewall tread. So I think these rims, to give it that kind of like how like the Japanese crawlers over there overseas, how they do their RC crawlers. It'll give it that look, Maybe we'll get him some more weights and everything. He's got the low speed crawler gears. We're gonna put that in, do a video. We also got the metal ones. These are probably gonna go in Adrian's just to stout his truck up. But I want to order bearings first, so we'll throw that in there. We'll throw that in the trailer. And also Xavier's got an HR Racing aluminum link. So, and he's also got the light kit too. So more and more, the more upgrades that we get, and then we'll sit back. I'll end up ordering a desk, and we're gonna build a new micro garage. So it'll be SCX 24s, Orlando Hunters, TRX4Ms. I'm not really gonna ever pretty much buy any more 10 scales, so looks like the micro scale is really kicking off. So it looked like the past 7 years of us micro crawling and us messing around with the micro scene when it wasn't that big, it grew up enough so that way Traxxas and Associated and everybody got into it and got blown up. So I feel pretty cool about that. So this is my passion's really kicking back off. So and everything, crypto's down right now, so we're not even going to talk about crypto. I'll do a separate like vlog section on my channel for my crypto. I'm going to try and organize my channel. I try and put everything in a playlist. My vlogs are my vlogs, but I will try and keep my RC. I don't know, man. It's so hard because everything's my hobby. You guys let me know in the comments. I need like a video like organizer person or something, or see if I can get a video AI. But this is really epic. I will be buying a new SD card for my GoPro, and I was thinking about getting a second GoPro or getting like some other small little action cam. Cool thing about those rims, they give you stickers. You know how much I love stickers. I'm gonna ask Xavier if I can grab one of these stickers and put it in the garage when we build the garage. But let's find out what stickers he puts on his truck, if he does put any decals on his truck. So this is just a quick little vlog. I've been working real hard at my job, and I almost got my ex-wife paid off, you know what I'm saying? And just through the grace of God, we keep on walking in his light, and we keep on pushing, you know what I'm saying? I got $4 grand to go. Yay! And then after that, we'll be able to spoil the boys with more RC car stuff and more dirt bikes and more fun stuff like that. And they're getting pretty big, and I think Xavier's kind of liking, he played football for one time with his friends, so he might be liking sports, you know. We'll see, we'll see. So, yeah, work's been a little hard, 12 hours, 7 days. I had a seizure at work, which wasn't really good. My stress has been getting a little bothering me, but I've been trying to get my levels back right. I'm not going to be working 12s next week. I'm going to be just on 8 hours because I can't do it. And then sometimes they'll put you on 7 days on weekends. And it's just like, ugh. So I went out and bought some RC cars. And that, like, really soothed the problem with my brain and stuff. You know what I'm saying? But all right, you guys, like, share, subscribe. It's 1 o'clock. I gotta go hop in the shower and get ready for this place. Peace and love, and we'll have some more RC car videos. And, you know, all right, peace out. And I want to say thank you guys for subscribing and riding with me through this life we call Motley Garage, Micro Scale Garage, or just me. You know, I love you guys. I love everybody. I just want to let you know, no matter who your higher power is, always stay headstrong and stay forward because God loves us. All right? Peace out.